Hey friends, out here on the Oregon coast at our Airbnb. It's been an amazing little vacation, been doing some surfing, some mountain biking. But one of the things that I actually always take along if we're driving out to do these little adventures is some tools, including my Ryobi drill. Now, obviously bringing out a drill is an extra luxury that I like to have just in case something goes wrong, especially when we're staying long-term at Airbnbs. But this trip specifically, I really wanted to get a better battery because the one I do have for this specific drill is getting a little old. Now, I hate to say this, but Ryobi batteries can be really, really expensive. In fact, some of them are more expensive than the actual tool itself, but there is a solution. These are Ryobi batteries that you can purchase directly from Amazon. Now, these are 18 volt, they are lithium ion batteries, and they actually work really, really great. You can see these specific ones are 5.5 amp hour or 99 watt hour batteries. So they're really large, they have a lot of capacity. You even have a little light on the front here that gives you an indicator of how much is left in the battery as you're using it. Now, here's the great part about these batteries. They're actually very, very budget friendly. Now, they work just like Ryobi standard proprietary batteries. Again, you can punch them right on like that, and they're good to go. Now, do they work as well as the standard Ryobi batteries? In my opinion, yes. I've been using these style batteries that I've gotten from Amazon for over a year now, and they really have held up well. The good news is that you don't need an additional charger. The batteries come independent, and you just grab your Ryobi charger that either came with your other batteries or with your tool, and you stick it directly down in here on the charger, and everything works great. Now, I'll give you a little demo here just with this specific screw that's holding our cabling in. You can see it pulled that screw out, no problem. Power works great, torque really works great. Again, everything works just like a normal Ryobi battery would if you got it directly from the company. If you're interested in grabbing one of these battery sets for yourself, well, you can find them right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below, and then hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, stay tuned. We do a ton of these little battery/tool review videos to hopefully help your shopping experience be just a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.